We are pleased to show you the 2005 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lights. Inside you'll find cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, overhead console. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.